Looking for the best smart food scale but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best smart food scale based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Ultrean Smart Food Kitchen Scale. What sets this product apart from others in its category is its comprehensive approach to health management. Typically, you'd find calorie counters that can barely log a few nutrients, but this one takes it to the next level with AI-driven insights, goal setting, and seamless health sync with major apps. You can even log meals on the go with smart photo recognition or use the precision kitchen scale for accurate tracking at home. It's perfect for everyone from weight loss enthusiasts to keto dieters. My standout feature has to be the digital kitchen scale with 1G precision, making it ideal for bakers, cooks, and meal prep enthusiasts. This product is a game-changer for anyone serious about tracking their daily intake and staying motivated on their fitness journey. Number 4. ERAVSOW Smart Kitchen Food Scale. Most kitchen scales just give you a weight reading, but this one flips the script. It's like having a personal nutrition coach right on your countertop, tracking 12 key nutrients and connecting to an app with over 30 detailed breakdowns. You get instant, reliable nutrition facts for over 1 million foods thanks to the official USDA database, and it's perfect for anyone trying to achieve their personal health goals, whether that's weight management, muscle building, or managing blood sugar. It's also incredibly versatile, with a 10 kilograms capacity and precision measurements in 5 different units, making it a must-have for serious bakers, meal preppers, and coffee enthusiasts alike. And with dedicated coffee mode, you can even get cafe-quality pour-over at home. Number 3. MrOwner Smart Food Scale. This smart food scale truly stands out with its impressive 1 million food database, allowing for incredibly accurate nutritional analysis and detailed tracking of your daily intake. With support for syncing data with Apple Health and Fitbit, it's perfect for those following a low-carbohydrate diet or working towards balanced eating goals. I'm also impressed by its easy-to-clean design and compact size, making it a great addition to any kitchen environment. Number 2. Cosori Smart Food Scale. This app stands out with its incredibly detailed nutrition analysis, giving you a comprehensive view of 19 essential nutrients including calories, protein, carbs, and fat, using a massive 1M plus food database to help you manage your diet, health, or training goals with precision. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts, health-conscious individuals, or anyone looking to make informed food choices, and I'm impressed with its ability to accurately weigh and track your daily nutrient intake goals, including calories, protein, carbs, and fat. You can even use its precision portion control feature to weigh foods in 1-gram increments, and it also lets you easily scan food labels when eating out, making healthy eating a lot easier. Number 1. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. If you're struggling to keep track of your daily nutrient intake, this smart scale is a game-changer with its ability to track up to 19 essential nutrients, monitor trends, and generate personalized reports through the connected VESync app. It also boasts a large database of food data, thanks to its partnership with Nutritionix, which holds over 1 million entries, making it easy to add and customize your own food records as needed. The food-grade stainless steel design is not only durable but also easy to clean, while the high-precision sensors can weigh your foods with accuracy down to 1 gram, ranging from 3 grams to a whopping 5,000 grams. With the versatility to choose units from pounds, ounces, or milliliters, and the tare function that calculates the exact weight of your food without the container, this scale is perfect for health enthusiasts who want to monitor their nutrient intake with precision. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone serious about tracking their daily nutrition, offering a seamless and accurate experience that makes monitoring your intake a breeze. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.